discuss comparative. That will be more effective. So again, this will also will not have any contribution to strength. So first point is this also will not have any contribution towards strength. Second, its properties are more or less same as C3A, tricalcium aluminate. Okay, but this is less. What we can say, intensity is less intensity. Properties are same as जो हमने देखा C3A के सेम प्रॉपर्टीज C4A भी शो करेगा बट इंटेंसिटी लेस होगी मतलब इंटेंसिटी एंड देन इट डज नॉट हाँ मेजर डिफरेंस बिटवीन C3A and C4AF is it takes part in sulfate attack. C4AF will not take part, does not take part in sulfate attack. ठीक है. Then heat of hydration for tetra calcium aluminoferrate is 420 joules per gram. Last but not least, very important for point with respect to C4AF is this is the first compound which reacts with water. First to react. This is first to react with water. Okay? With water. First to react with water. Okay? Now let's try to understand sulfate attack. Okay? Sulfate attack. See, sulfate present होता है either it will present in cement or it will present in soil. Sulfate. Our structure will be resting on soil. Foundation will be in there will be soil interaction with foundation. So sulfate या तो cement में होगा या फिर soil में होगा. Sulfate, this sulfate reacts with calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide, CaOH hydroxide. ठीक है. Sulfate will react with calcium hydroxide and they will form calcium sulfate. Calcium sulfate. Now this calcium sulfate will further react with C3A. This will react with C3A. ये flow chart थोड़ा hectic हो सकता है. I will try to explain it one more time. Just try to understand. So first sulfate present था. Either it will present in cement or in soil. This sulfate will react with calcium hydroxide and they will form calcium sulfate. After formation of calcium sulfate, this calcium sulfate will further react with C3A, ठीक है, and this will result in expansion and deterioration of concrete after hardening. ठीक है, concrete. ठीक है, this phenomena, this whole process is known as sulfate attack. Sulfate will present in soil or in cement that will react with calcium hydroxide. Together they will form calcium sulfate. This calcium sulfate will further react with Book's compound C3A. इसीलिए हमने C3A में लिखा it takes part in sulfate attack. ठीक है, and C4AF does not take part. So C3A and it will result in मतलब this is unwanted. It's harmful for our structure, right? So this will cause expansion and deterioration. So from this we can conclude that C3A takes part in sulfate attack and C4AF does not take part in sulfate attack. So मान लीजिए यदि if we want to make good quality of cement, so what we will do, C3A which compound we will be having in more proportion, C3A or C4AF? Yes.
C3A.
Again C3A. See, C3A, if it is present in more amount, it will take part in sulfate attack. Sulfate attack is unwanted process. It is harmful for our structure. Getting or not? If we want to prepare good quality of cement, what is meant by good quality? That it should not be get affected with sulfate attack, right? So C3A takes part in sulfate attack. If we don't want sulfate attack, we will reduce the percentage of C3A and we will increase the percentage of C4AF, because C4AF does not take part in sulfate attack, right? Yes, C3A जिन्होंने भी बोला, ये क्लियर हुआ या नहीं? हेलो?
Yes, sir.
If सो C3A अगर ज्यादा है तो सल्फेट अटैक के चांसेस बढ़ जाएंगे, दैट इज हार्मफुल, ठीक है. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ठीक है, पहले गुड क्वालिटी ऑफ सीमेंट वी विल सी लेटर ऑन. फर्स्ट टेल मी इफ यू वांट इनिशियल स्ट्रेंथ, if you want more initial strength, what you will do? C3S or C2S, which will be more and which will be less? Yes,
C3S is more, C2S is less.
yes, सेम कंसेप्ट यहाँ पे यूज कीजिए. सल्फेट अटैक ना हो इसलिए C3A या फिर C4AF, which one should be more?
C4AF.
C4AF should be more, C3A should be less, and sulfate attack should not take place. It means it is a good quality of cement, right? Okay, so I hope this is clear. Next is hydration of cement. Next heading, hydration of cement. ठीक है, hydration of cement. Hydration is nothing but a process. It's a chemical process, like chemical reaction between cement and water. ठीक है, it's nothing but hydration. It's a exothermic reaction. I hope you guys know what is mean by exothermic reaction. Yes, anyone?
When we add water in cement, then it liberates heat. So
Yes,
we
heat
can
is
call
equal. Yes, as exothermic reaction. Yes, absolutely correct. So यदि हम C3S and C2S का हाइड्रेशन देखें तो वो कुछ इस प्रकार होगा. It's a reaction C3S and C2S in addition of water. Okay. It will result in CSH, that is calcium silicate hydrate plus twice calcium hydroxide, and C2S will result in CSH plus CaOH. Now see this CSH, it is calcium silicate hydrate. Calcium silicate hydrate. Now, what is meant by calcium silicate hydrate? Calcium silicate hydrate, it is the ultimate hard compound which we are interested in. This is nothing but basic cement. This is responsible for strength of cement. So calcium silicate hydrate, it is the ultimate hard compound which we are interested in. Okay. So, and this CaOH, it is calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. Now see, what we are interested in, CSH. Now both C3S and C2S, both are giving us one compound, one single CSH and single CSH, right? But C3S is giving two compounds of calcium hydroxide. और ये calcium hydroxide हमने कहाँ देखा? Calcium hydroxide. This is responsible for sulfate attack. Sulfate will react with calcium hydroxide. Now, based on this knowledge, tell me what we are interested in, calcium silicate hydrate. Whether we are taking C3S or we are taking C2S, both will give us single compound of calcium silicate hydrate, that is CSH, what we are interested in. But along with that, C3S will give two compounds of calcium hydroxide and C2S will give us single compound of calcium hydroxide. Now, based on this knowledge, you guys tell me which one is better, C3S or C2S?
C2S.
Yes, sorry?
C2S.
Okay, anyone?
C2S.
C2S, okay. Or anyone who is with C3S? Okay. So both are giving single compound of calcium silicate hydrate or CaO, that is calcium hydroxide. It is unwanted, na? This is unwanted. So if we want good quality of cement, C2S should be present in more amount. So C2S will be present in more amount and C3S will be present in less amount. Okay. And another case is early strength. Now you guys tell me whether the proportion will be same or it will reverse. Yes? Early strength. Reverse. Yes. C2S, because C2S contributes to ultimate strength, 28 day strength, and C3S contributes to early strength, 7th day. इसलिए C3S का proportion will be more. Okay, so now we will try to summarize this in the chart form. C3s, C2s, C3a, C4af. Okay, alite, belite, silite, not delite, it's phelite. Okay, it's phelite. Then next was proportion. Sorry, कितने amount में present है? 50 to 60%, 20 to 30, 8 to 12, 6 to 10, right? Next was what it contributes. C3s contributes to, yes, C3s contributes to
Early strength.
early strength. Yes, strength is correct only, but more written, more specifically, to be precise, early strength. C2s contribute to ultimate strength. Yes, ultimate strength. Now, C3a contributes to, yes, no strength, right? No contribution to strength, but it affects setting time.
Setting of cement.
Yes, setting of cement. Yes, correct. Setting of cement. ये मैंने दोनों के लिए combine लिख दिया, ठीक है? Next, rate of reaction with water. Rate of reaction. अब comparatively अगर हम देखें, high C3s was having high, C2s was having low, C3a we can say very high, very high, and C4af का moderate. ठीक है. And heat of hydration, see, rate of reaction is not that important as far as our exams are concerned. What they are examiners are interested in, heat of hydration. So try to write it with different heat of hydration. Yes, anyone remember without turning the pages? 500, yes,
5.
yes, 265, 820 very high, and 420. ठीक है. Okay, so this is the summary of Bogus compound. One more thing, यहाँ लिख लीजिए. C3a takes part in sulfate attack में, and C4a does not take part in sulfate attack. Okay. So we will see two graphs. See degree of reaction with time. Now, when we discuss Bogus compound, there was one compound where I dictated you that it's the first to react with water. Which was that? Yes,
C4AF.
C4AF. So degree of reaction will be high for C4AF. Okay. Then C3A. Then now, this is directly dictated as C4A it is first to take part to react with water. Now confusion is between C3s and C2s. Now use your basic intentions and tell me which one will react first with water, C3s or C2s?
C3S.
Yes, C3s. Why?
Heat of hydration is higher than C2S.
Okay, heat of hydration higher. Yes, correct. Or
Of reaction high.
rate of reaction is also high. Yes. One more reason is there. Yes, anyone? Strength.
Is the
Who
early
develops
strength.
early strength? Yes. So C3s will react first. तभी तो वो early strength दे पाएगा. C3s will react first and then last में C2s because it contributes to ultimate strength 28 days. This is first to react, 7th day और ये in between somewhere. ठीक है? So ये ग्राफ हो गया. So अगर कंसेप्चुअली ऐसे डिराइव किया जाए तो ग्राफ लर्न करने का ये नहीं होगा, मगअप नहीं करना पड़ेगा. अब इसका ग्राफ का यूज क्या है? डायरेक्टली दे विल गिव यू द ग्राफ एंड वन कंपोनेंट विल बी मिसिंग, या फिर चारों के चारों मिसिंग होंगे और 4 ऑप्शन में दिया होगा उल्टा पुल्टा करके. यहाँ पे C4AF देंगे, C2S देंगे, वो अरेंज करना होगा. ठीक है. सो कंसेप्चुअली अगर करें तो वो सही है. अब डिग्री ऑफ रिएक्शन ये होगा. नेक्स्ट इज स्ट्रेंथ गेन, गेनिंग ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ या फिर स्ट्रेंथ गेन, गेनिंग ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ या स्ट्रेंथ गेन ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ. ठीक है. Strength. So, with respect to time. So, okay. So, what will come at top? Yes. Come on. Early strength. Strength gain. Who will gain strength first? C3S. Okay. After that C2S. Now C3A and C4AF, they don't have any contribution towards strength, but still with age, after 1 year, small amount of strength can be contributed by these two. So C3A and C4AF. Okay, so these are two graphs. Now either they will ask you in the graph forms, or they can give you the ascending or descending orders, like arrange the following Bogi's compound in the ascending order or descending order with the criteria under consideration of strength gain या फिर degree of reaction. So अगर strength gain की बात करें, so first C3S will gain strength, then C2S, then C3A, and then C4AF. अगर डिग्री ऑफ रिएक्शन की बात की जाए, सो C4AF will react very with it is first to react with water, then C3A, and since C3S will be resulting in early strength, so it will react first, and then C2S because it contributes to ultimate strength. So इसका भी ascending या descending order you can write. ठीक है, यहाँ पे लिख लेना. ठीक है, I hope you guys are taking down notes. So यहाँ पे लिख लेना C4AF, C3A. Okay, so अभी तक जितना देखा, ठीक है बेटा, इट्स ठीक है 5:25. Okay, can we continue for next 10 minutes or should we stop here?
Continue.
Okay. So सीमेंट, पहले ने मटेरियल सब्जेक्ट के बारे में डिस्कस किया. सीमेंट का फ्लो चार्ट हमने देखा. बाइंडिंग डेफिनेशन से क्या क्या आएगा? बाइंडिंग मटेरियल है, कोहेसिव एडहेसिव दोनों प्रॉपर्टीज है. इट्स नॉट अ होल्डिंग मटेरियल, इट्स अ बाइंडिंग मटेरियल. इन्वेंटर था जोसेफ एस्पर्डिन, यूके में पोर्टलैंड सिटी है, उसके नाम से दिया गया. सेटिंग एंड हार्डनिंग हमने देखा. सेटिंग इज नथिंग बट लूजिंग प्लास्टिसिटी, हार्डनिंग इज गेनिंग स्ट्रेंथ. ठीक है. देन वी डिस्कस अबाउट द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ सीमेंट, जिसमें रॉ मटेरियल हमने देखा कैल्केरियस एंड अर्जिलाशियस. कैल्शियम जिसका मेन कंपाउंड है दैट इज कैल्केरियस. अर्जिलाशियस में एल्यूमिनियम तो समझ में आ जाता है नाम से, सिलिका को हम भूल जाते हैं, या फिर आप में से किसी ने सिल्वर बोला था. SI इज नॉट फॉर सिल्वर. ठीक है, ये लिख लीजिए. फिर एग्जांपल्स याद करना. देन ग्राइंडिंग मेथड्स, वेट मेथड एंड ड्राई मेथड, व्हिच वन इज इकोनॉमिकल, व्हिच वन इज मोर व्हिच रिक्वायर मोर फ्यूल कंजम्पशन, वो सब देखा. टेम्परेचर इज इंपॉर्टेंट, 1500 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. देन आफ्टर फ्यूजन simple compounds will form complex compound, those are box compound. फिर नोट हमने देखा 2 to 3% जिप्सम हम ऐड करते हैं. ये CaH2O 2H2O जिप्सम का, ये एक एग्जाम में मैं देखा था, ये मुझे भी याद नहीं रहता. ट्राई टू रिमेंबर दिस. देन 1500 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. फिर बॉक्स कंपाउंड हमने देखे C3H, C2H, C3A, अलाइट, बिलाइट, सिलाइट, फेलाइट, नॉट डिलाइट. ओके. देन फिर हमने एक बॉक्स कंपाउंड डिटेल में डिस्कस किया. विल डायरेक्टली गो टू चार्ट. यस, ये चार्ट. ठीक है. प्रपोर्शन पूछ सकते हैं, या फिर मैच द फॉलोइंग में आएगा, या फिर हीट ऑफ हाइड्रेशन पूछ सकते हैं. मोर पिक्चर एंड देन ग्राफ्स. ठीक है.